Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a small gardening video for you guys. So I don't have a lot of room in my backyard to plant, but I still wanted to do some planting just because I feel like it's very therapeutical for me. I love being outside, I love planting flowers, and I really enjoy it. So even though I don't have the biggest yard, I do have a small section where I will be planting. So if you guys are in the same boat as me where you guys don't have a lot of room to plant, make sure to watch this video and at least we can get some herbs and tomatoes planted. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what are the plants that I got. Okay, so in this little basket right here, I got this one at Dollar Tree. I planted some basil just because I love making bruschetta, and I just love how it smells. And yeah, this is why I planted this one. And I got this pot, like I said, at Dollar Tree, and the plant was from Menard. So most of my plants I got them from Menards. So if you guys are from the Midwest, you guys are familiar with Menards. If you guys aren't from the Midwest, Menards is basically like a Lowe's. So I got some plants from there, and then there's also a local like greenhouse where I live, so I got some of my plants from there as well. So this plant right here, I have it planted in this pot. It's Yerba sweet mint. So the reason this one I wanted to plant it in a pot was because if you plant this one on the ground, it will literally, it's a very invasive plant. It will literally take over wherever you plant it. Peppermint plant, sweet mint, whatever you want to call it, but in Spanish we call it yerba buena. So that's the reason why I planted this one in the pot. It's great for teas. My goal is to grow this and then kind of just dry out some leaves so I can have some tea in the winter. Super good for whenever you have period cramps or your tummy doesn't feel the best. Growing up, my mom would make me this tea and it literally helps. So instead of taking Tylenol, this is a great tea to take for period cramps. So this next plant right here, it is rosemary. So I haven't actually planted this one, but I did get this one because I believe it's easy to grow and it's great for your hair. So if you're losing hair, it's great to use this on your hair. Another thing you can use it for that I'll be using it is to make rosemary tea. Like I said, I really enjoy making tea, so this is just another herb that I will hopefully be drying out and having in the winter, so I can make tea then. Okay guys, so this is my teapot that I was talking to you guys about. It's super cute. I got it off Amazon. It is glass. I have a electric stove, so I feel like it's safer on electric stove, even though online it does say you can use it on a gas stove. But personally, I feel like it's safer on a electric stove. But it's super cute. It has this thing right here where you put your tea in and you just go ahead and boil it. But it's super cute. I don't remember how much it was, but I'll try to see if I can link it down below. Okay, so I got this raised garden bed, and this one was $80. I've seen them for $100, so I definitely had to get it while it was on sale. So if you're wanting one, I would recommend getting it now since it's $80. I planted some tomato plants right here, and then I have some cherry tomatoes for my salads and zucchinis right here. So over here I ran out of room, so I grabbed these pots that I had and I planted some tomatillos, which I love making salsa. And then over here it's a chile habanero plant that I have planted, and I love making chiles rellenos, stuffed peppers. So I will be having these right here in these pots. See, we ran out of room for planting, so my husband built me a 4x2 garden bed. As you guys can see, we did fill it up with mulch just because it's less expensive than to fill it up with dirt. So we did some mulch at the bottom, and then we did 3 bags of soil. If you guys are wanting to build a raised garden bed, if you guys go to Menards, there is a saw that you guys can use to cut your own wood, which is what we did. I know that Lowe's will go ahead and cut the wood for you, so as long as you give them the measurements, they are able to cut it to your liking. But as you guys can see, we just went ahead and filled it up with dirt and then we rearranged the plants. But if you live in an apartment and you're still wanting to do some planting, I highly suggest getting the garden bed just because you are still able to get some plants in there. I also got this super beautiful, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this flower bush from Lowe's, and I have my husband planting it, so hopefully it comes back next year. But I'm pretty excited about this one. I think it will have beautiful flowers that I can cut and hopefully put on my dinner table. And the next bush I got is a lavender bush, which will also come back next year hopefully, and I'm wanting to try making some tea and then some stuff with oils, which I'll have to look up to see how to make them. Well guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Even though it's like a small little video, I kind of still wanted to share with you guys, and hopefully I can show you guys when my plants actually start producing some veggies. But anyways, I will see you guys next time.